Welcome to HeadShop 11 tutorials. We'll start with a brief overview. What is HeadShop? HeadShop is a software plugin that works inside DAZ Studio and allows the creation of 3D heads based on a user's photograph. It delivers bot shape and texture without ever leaving DAZ Studio. What is special about HeadShop? In short, HeadShop is unique in that it can handle any photo, even the challenging ones. Most other programs can't use open smile photos or rotated heads, or poorly lit faces with one side dark. HeadShop is the first software to handle all this and more. QuickStart. Let's do a quick project to show the awesome power of HeadShop 11. We'll start in Studio with Genesis 2 Female and launch HeadShop from the Edit menu. From a dialog, we select Face and Lips for surface items and Head for geometry. You will notice that for each task, a Teach panel pops up. Later, you can hide these panels by clicking the box in the lower right corner. In the selection dialog, you'll browse for a photo. Here we choose an open smile photo. Notice that the program automatically finds 50 points to capture head shape and also automatically detects the gender. In a few seconds, HeadShop turns the photo into a 3D head. You can alter the head via the smoothing slider to your liking. Navigation tools let you rotate the head to better explore. It seems we're ready to export. Here it is back in DAZ Studio. Mission accomplished. Front tab. There are 5 tabs in the work area of HeadShop. Use as many or as few as you need. The first tab is the Front tab. This time we place Genesis 2 Male on stage and launch HeadShop. After selecting Face and Lips for surface and Head for geometry, we now browse for our male photo. We see the photo on the left and the 3D head on the right loaded. Once again, we may use the Smoothen slider to explore the best morph. We use the Mirror tool to mirror the right side that is less obstructed with hair. Time to export. Back in DAZ Studio, we see the head shape and texture loaded. Notice that the eyes are standard DAZ library eyes. We can either browse for other eye colors or simply import the eye texture generated by HeadShop. Choose the Irises item from the Surfaces tab and use Browse to find the eye texture. Use the same texture for pupil and sclera. We are done. Autodots. Another tool to affect shape is Autodots. This time we'll load a female figure again with a toothy smile. Click on the Autobots button. You can grab and move individual dots to change the shape of the 3D head. With the help of Lasso, you can select the whole group of dots and move them together. Notice the changes to the 3D head on the right. Feature tab. The second tab in HeadShop is Feature tab. It has 3 sliders: Age slider, Weight slider, and Smile slider. We can explore all 3. Caution: it is not smart to change more than one slider at a time. Style tab. Style tab is essentially a library of about 24 hairstyles, both male and female. You can choose and drag a style over to the right 3D window. You can highlight the hair and move it or even size it via size slider. Accessory tab. Accessory tab is very similar to the Style tab. It opens a library, and you can drag items such as a sunglass or hat over to the 3D head. Similar to Style, you can size the items you select. Color tab. The last tab is the Color and Texture tab. Here you can add hair texture and color to your style and solid color and transparencies to your accessories. An interesting feature is the transparency box, where you can set the item's level of opacity. Once you exported your model, you have a choice to either select a hairstyle from the DAZ library as here, or import the HeadShop hair or eyeglasses. Both are OBJ files in the FaceShop FS folder. Child models. You need to have Growing Up for Genesis Male and Female installed to use this feature. Essentially, you place a full-grown male or female on stage and run through the process of creating an adult head, but with a child photo. Once back in DAZ Studio, you can turn the adult figure into any age child via the Actor Youth Morph slider.